Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see how you're feeling now, Sagittarius, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And of course, Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright, Sagittarius, let's begin your reading. Big welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Saggis, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, action cards, etc. If this is your reading, Sagittarius, you'll know which side you're on, right? For me, this is going to be person A and this is going to be person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Wheel of Fortune, Sagittarius, in the upright. But I do see there is a lack of talking here. Maybe somebody's waiting for divine timing to get back but at the moment, I don't know. Somebody seems to be walking away even though they feel this is a very, very, very strong soulmate connection. The other person's also not really making a move, though they know what this connection is all about. Yet there is lack of communication from what I'm seeing at the moment. So, Saggis, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards, okay? So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Sagittarius from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. All right. Good to go, Saggis. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I miss you so much that it feels like there's a real pain in my chest. I won't show you that though. Isn't that just what I said? There's walking away, there's no talking, yet both of you do know that you love each other. How can you love me after I effed everything up with our connection? Seems there was a fight here, an argument, fight. Secretly doing things behind your back. I get defensive when I feel you getting too close for comfort. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. And the last one here says, Sagittarius, you changed up, and that triggers me. Alright, Saggis, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm, as always, going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. As a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Alright, sweetness. Time to bring some sweetness back into your life. Or is this just okay? Be kind to yourself, Sagittarius. I don't know what you're going through. Spirit is saying it's time to be nice to yourself. Take care of your health. This could be emotional, mental, physical, spiritual, financial, I don't know what. But since this is a love reading, I think your emotions are quite bruised and battered at the moment. And take care of yourself. Be gentle on yourself. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so let's see what your cards have to say. I'm going to start with the energy of person A, Sagittarius, and then we'll move on to person B. You could be either side, right? I'm just reading two energies. So person A, what's this Eight of Cups? Eight of Cups. Okay. Somebody feels that that person was keeping too many secrets, or this connection just became a bit imbalanced. They feel their person wasn't putting in enough work, even though I don't think person A really wanted to shut the chapter down. They didn't want to shut the chapter down, but I think with a very emotional, heavy heart, person A could be contemplating or has walked away. Two of Cups, Spirit. Two of Cups. Somebody doesn't have the clarity. Somebody doesn't. They either feel that their person lies to them, doesn't choose them. I think somebody has been waiting for a very long time, wondering whether, things will be okay again. Will we be back together again? But something has happened here, which I think person A feels that maybe this is not meant to be. But on the other hand, still waiting that things may change. So this is like a very in and out kind of energy. Should I let this go? Will it ever improve? I wish it would, because, we do love each other. So what happened in the recent past, person A, that got you so confused? Ace of Swords in reverse. Somebody displayed some very petty behavior. Maybe there were some rumors of maybe person B not being consistent or having third parties, or maybe there was some drama here that happened in the recent past. From what I feel, Sagittarius, there could have been some nasty words or some rash behavior. Person A felt, what's the point? What's the point? My person always wants to have their own way. They come back, but they always make me feel as if I'm not worth it, or I'm, less than. This kind of in and out behavior each time they come back, it just steers my mind, body, soul into a wrong direction. I don't feel at peace. So how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A says, I don't want to live in this sadness and this regret of this tension of always feeling left out in the cold, always feeling in lack. I do desperately want to get out of this so that I can release this mental tension that I always go through with them. So, Three of Cups in reverse. Three of Cups in reverse. Why do you feel this way? Person A is kind of feeling, not sure that there has been some very rash behavior here from person B's end, I think. So person A is almost kind of coming to that conclusion that, hey, things are just not going to work out. If there have been third parties, or there have been conflicts or arguments or fights, or somebody not putting in the work, whatever's happened here, person A is feeling, is it better that I just kind of, turn my back on this connection now, because I just want to be out of my stress and my tension. Yes, either their person is not making any move to offer something stable and exciting and brand new, or maybe person A is just kind of lost their mojo now. They feel demotivated, right? But I don't know, heart of hearts, I still feel person A is leaving it, surrendering to the universe to say, hey, I do love them. So if they choose me and things change, then maybe. But at the moment, that's how person A is feeling, that I don't want to be in this stressful situation forever. I don't want to feel lack all my life. Okay. So what action person A will finally take, I'll open later. Sagittarius, let's go on to the other side and see in reality what's happening. So person B has the Page of Wands in reverse in their feelings. Why is that? Okay, so person B is feeling, person A stopped messaging me, they're not fighting for this connection. Have I lost this, partnership now? Has my person already made a decision? Because there's so much of stagnancy. But in the true sense, person B also loves person A a lot. They do love person A a lot. They're also not confused. If they had two directions to go to, I don't think person B is choosing anybody else, except now they are a little worried about the stagnancy and about the lack of interest, I think, that person A is showing or not showing right now. So what happened in the recent past, person B, that you're feeling this way? Hermit in reverse. Well, they made some unwise decisions in the past, Sagittarius. I think person B made some foolish, unwise decisions. They never really genuinely offered an apology or a love offer. They didn't offer anything stable, no stable new beginning. They didn't invest in the connection. May have played mind games or were emotionally distant or manipulative, and that's the reason this entire connection has come to a standstill. So, Knight of Cups, what did you do in the recent past? Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. I have a feeling there was some communication in the recent past where person B could have been happy with the status quo of the relationship. I'll flirt with you, I'll have a good time with you, I will show you my love, but I will not choose. So maybe their person chose for them. They dropped the ball and said, hey, this is getting toxic. If you're only going to be that, romantic hero in my life, then what are you bringing to the table? So there could have been a releasing of this connection from person A's side because they felt that this connection was getting too toxic. So now, how do you feel about the connection, person B? Person B feels my person has turned their back on me, on this connection. Now this beautiful soulmate connection, which was the Six of Cups, is in reverse. Some bad memories have been created in this connection, and that's the reason there is no communication between the two of you. Eight of Wands in reverse. Eight of Wands in reverse, Spirit. They are waiting though. They are waiting for the right time, maybe, or for divine timing, maybe, that somehow, in time this conflict will end. They do want a rebirth of this connection. They do want to come back. They do want to end this conflict which has happened. They may not be making a move right now, but they are planning. Maybe just waiting, for the right time, or maybe you guys are not talking to each other, so they're waiting for maybe person A to cool down. I don't know. So let's see what actions you guys will take towards each other, Sagittarius. I'm going to take a different deck for this one, Sagittarius. And of course, my time to request you to just click that like button. Even if this is just entertaining you or resonating with you, it just helps the videos to circulate and of course makes me feel very, very happy. Thank you so much. And Sagittarius newbies, when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, as then YouTube can send you notifications when new videos are released. So the action person A intends to take is the Ten of Swords. Why is that in reverse, Spirit? Ten of Swords. Okay, one more. Okay, one more. Person A is feeling a bit disappointed. Person A is feeling a bit disappointed, even though there is a huge attraction towards person B. They somehow feel that person B is always going to stay the Knight of Wands, who's going to come in for sex and passion, and they're never going to choose. They're never going to offer me anything concrete. So no action from your end. What's the action? Three of Wands. I think person A could be trying to heal themselves, trying to remove these swords which are pierced in their back, right? This is feeling betrayed and feeling this is the ending, but waiting for the pain to lessen. Just standing, waiting to see what's next on the horizon. Is it time to shut down this chapter? Maybe see what else is out there. Maybe start something brand new, right? So, person B, you better hurry up. What's the action going to be from your end? Ace of Wands. All right, that looks like action. What's the action from your end? Please clarify the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. And the Page of Cups. Okay, got it. One more. Four of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Okay, so bottom of my deck I do see the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, person B still has a lot of passion for person A. They may not be making a move right now because A, they know they have to apologize. B, they're feeling very overwhelmed, burdened by the fact that now person A seems to be holding back from them. Then maybe not used to it, right? So they could spend a little time waiting, hoping that person A will open up again, come towards them. If not that, well, they know that the only way to come to back towards person A would be to bring, an apology or a love offer. So will they, Spirit, or will they just wait this week? Will they come forward this week? Tower and the Ace of Pentacles. There is a strong possibility, Sagittarius. Strong possibility. If person A, you hold back long enough, okay, and don't succumb to the temptation of missing them too much and calling back, they are going to go through a tower moment. They're going to get that wake up call that if I don't move towards person A and offer them something concrete, I'm going to lose my person. So they could be in waiting mode. Now time is fluid. I don't know when this is going to happen, though my intention is for this week, coming 7 days. But I have a feeling this person is going to get that wake-up call, that tower they're going to go through when they realize that person A is no longer interested. Okay, so yes, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, they want to start something new. I wish I had seen, okay, there was an Ace of Cups as well. Okay, so 3 aces on person B's end, but they do know that they need to apologize before they can even venture back in. Okay, so that's all I have for you till then. Person A, if you are, the Sagittarius that I'm reading for, make sure you take care of you. Take care of yourself. Use this time to heal yourself. As I saw in this card, this is somebody trying to remove that hurt. Upside down is like one sword sliding out and getting to feel better, right? So just make sure you take good care of yourself. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Sagittarius.